If you don't like waiting and you want fast results, then this video is the one for you. Because today we're going to be showing you an absolutely free app that's going to pay you instantly for completely free just to click on emails. You're just going to register for completely free and then the app will start sending you emails. You click and read those emails and then boom, check your PayPal account and you should find your payment right in your account. Today's method is the most perfect for beginners, for those people who have never made a single dime in their life and who now want to start earning big PayPal bucks. This method won't require any skills or experience. There's no selling that's going to happen, no affiliate marketing, no investments, and the best part, it works in the majority of the countries that take up the globe, like India, Philippines, Pakistan, United States, Canada, Bangladesh, Nigeria, UK, Australia, and so much more. Now, there is one common mistake that people commit while they try and earn from today's method, and because of that mistakes, their results aren't successful, and they will immediately tell you that they don't like our method for today. But if you watch today's video and if you follow along closely and pay very close attention, you will be able to get the results that you want, and we just know that you're going to love this method as much as we do. The results are specific. It may be quick and easy, but it's very specific, and because of that, we need to make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our making money online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first thing that you need to have before jumping into the website that's going to pay us money to read emails is to obviously have or create an email account. Now, while we're sure that all of you guys have email accounts already, correct? But if you don't, then there's absolutely no issue with that. Just make sure that you create one. You can actually make it on any email platform like Gmail, Yahoo, or even Outlook, whatever you prefer. So you can obviously download that on your phone as well, so you can easily do the work on your phone. You don't need to turn on your laptop or your computer. You can just work directly on your phone. So as soon as you wake up, before you go to bed, even while you eat your meals, and so on. Now, since we mentioned that you can do this on basically any device, let us know in the comments down below what devices are available to you, and let us know if you love iOS or Android devices. Which one do you like more? Let's continue. So our money making website for today is called Genie, and to get to their website, just type in clicksgenie.com, and as you can see, it says get paid to read emails. Make up to 42 cents for every email that you read. Now, Click Genie is very easy to use with lean and friendly interface. You earn money from reading emails at your own pace. You earn even more by inviting your friends. You can earn more for every active referral you get, up to 5 levels deep, up to 320%. Clicks Genie is safe and secure to use. All your earnings can be tracked and verified inside your account, and Clicks Genie's site loads in less than 1 second. Clicks Genie is mobile friendly and it is super fast. Now, those were just a few of the many great things about this platform. Your payments are instant every time. All payments on Clicks Genie are instant. You request payout, you're paid in minutes. 1 cent payout, minimum payout. Your first minimum payout is just 1 cent and it's instant. There are multiple payment options. You can get paid through Bitcoin or Perfect Money instantly. It's secure. Clicks Genie is 100% safe and secure. It uses a 256-bit SSL encryption to protect your data, and it is GDPR compliant. There are over 24,000 members and over $7,000 total paid out. Now, really quickly, we actually want to show you some payment proof. So as you can see, these are people from all over the world cashing out their payment every single day and through different methods, which can reassure you that whatever you will be earning with today's method, you will be able to cash out. This isn't a scam, it's real, and these proofs of payment can prove that. Now, we want to know, what payment method do you like the most? We mentioned that this method pays out in different ways, but what's your favorite mode of payment? Let us know in the comments down below. So you can register in less than a minute. The stats are real time, it's available to literally anyone, and there's even a rapid customer service. Isn't that insane? It's simple, easy, and secure, and it really doesn't get any better than this. Now, setting all the blabber aside, it's time to finally register. So on the home page, you're just going to click on register, and then it will bring you to this page right here. Now you're going to provide all the sign-up details being asked, so that's your username, email, your password twice, your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, your gender. You can ignore the referrer, and then you confirm that you're not a robot. You accept the terms and notice, and once that's all complete, you can finally click on register. As soon as you hit on that button, you're going to have to confirm that the email you provided is a working email, and this is crucial because this is where you're going to be doing the main work so you can earn. So check your inbox and see if the email confirmation was sent to you, and then just click on the activation link that they sent to you, and once you've clicked on that, you will right away be able to sign into your official account. So this is how your dashboard will look like, and everything you need will be on here. You can track your earnings, commissions, purchases, and whatnot. If you want to withdraw your earnings, once you've started earning, you just click on the withdraw button. And if you want to earn through referrals as well, you can just copy your referral link and send it to wherever you want to advertise your link to get more income. Now we're going to be talking about the step that everyone misses, and everyone gets some type of mistake done, and it is the most important step. So you want to go back to your email address, and then you're going to check out the next email that Click Genie sent you, and then you must follow the instructions that they sent you, and you need to follow it properly so that they can start sending you emails, and you can start reading those emails, and you can immediately start earning. And so make sure you do as they say, so that you can already make money and start cashing out. And that is basically all you need. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.